This video shows you how to install an NVMe M.2 SSD. On a motherboard you will often find cooling plates. To install the SSD, start by unscrewing these. Underneath you will find the M.2 slot for the SSD. Insert the SSD at a slight angle into the slot. Press then the other end down gently and then secure it using the Q-latch. Next, you can screw the cooling plate back into the place. Finally, the SSD just needs to be set up in Windows. For some users, the SSD installation can lead to issues, so be sure to watch the entire video before you start your SSD installation. It's important to note that the speed of the M.2 slots can vary, and as a result, the SSD may run at half speed. Additionally, some M.2 slot configurations might disable a PCI Express slot or reduce its bandwidth. To avoid this, I recommend downloading the motherboard manual from the manufacturer's website. In it, you will find the necessary information to check which slot is best suited for your SSD and which is not. If you'd like to see how to set up your SSD in Windows, I've linked the video here. You can also find it below in the video description. I truly appreciate a like and a subscription, and it would be wonderful to have you back to the next video. See you soon.